Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you the Sailor Moon and Jimmy Choo phone holder. I purchased this on eBay. It was about $195 above retail, but I got it for a really good price. So let's get into it. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. As you can see, this is how you know it's authentic, because it has this sticker here, this hologram sticker with Sailor Moon sitting on a crescent moon, and it tells you the description of the bag, what kind of bag it is, the color, and I'm assuming this is the product number. So this is the box right here. I love how this is all embossed. And I love the black box design. I know with the first collaboration, they had a white box, but this time they went with a black option because now we are in the second act of Sailor Moon with the outer Senshi, you know, like Sailor Pluto, Sailor Neptune, Sailor Uranus, and of course Sailor Saturn. One thing I love, one thing I love about this collection is the attention to detail, down to the tissue paper. Like, these are screens from the actual manga. I remember reading the manga when I was in middle school, and I remember when Sailor Moon first came out on Toonami, I would watch it all the time, like running home from school. So to see the brand pay this close attention to detail was it for me. As you can see, this is the dust bag that the bag came in. I picked this particular bag because it will go with everything, and I love the black and white print. There is a multicolored version of this bag, which I will put on the side right over here. But I like this version because it's more versatile and it's closer to the manga. In the back, you have all the Senshi right here, minus Saturn, which is okay for the most part. And then over here, you can see Sailor Moon and Tuxedo Mask right here. You see Sailor Moon is right here as well. I believe this is when, I forgot which part of the manga this is, but this is when, I believe when Saturn resurrects and she's about to give rebirth to the world. If someone could correct me on that, let me know. But yes, this is around like towards the end of the manga, I believe, for the second act. On the inside, we have this pink interior. We have this pink interior right here, and then you see the Sailor Moon and Jimmy Choo logo right here. The other thing about this bag, that it also comes with this really long strap. I adjusted it for myself so it sits on my waist perfectly. And also, the other thing that I like is that this is completely real leather. With the first collection, it was not real leather, and when I saw it, I was like, I don't know how anyone could pay that much money for fake leather. I understand, like, if you're a big Sailor Moon fan, you're gonna buy it regardless, but me personally, I like to get items that I know that it will have longevity and I will be able to fully take care of it. But if it's fake leather, I just think, you know, that's something you should consider before making a purchase. But this is, with the second collab, this is real leather, full real leather. Over here, these are the authenticity card. Tells you the item that was purchased. Now I'm going to show you what actually fits in this bag. Okay, so these are the items that can fit in my bag. Obviously, for its namesake, your phone. I also have my card holder. Ooh, that looks so dingy. And my keys. Now let me see how it looks. It's not too bad. It's not that heavy. Now, one thing I will say, I would wear this with maybe something other than denim, because you never know if the denim is gonna rub onto this bag, and I don't want to find out. But I think I would wear this with like maybe like a set, like a sweatsuit set, or maybe a dress, something that I know that the fabric dyes won't rub onto the bag, just to be on the safe side. But I will show you how it looks on my waist right here, because I actually did an unboxing for my YouTube shorts, not my TikTok. But that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this. If you're a fan of Sailor Moon, tell me your favorite Sailor Senshi in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.